If we have any address in this vast universe, then it is our solar system after our galaxy, i.e. Milky Way, 26,000 light-years away from the center of the galaxy, along with the Sun. This circle of 8 planets and millions of small meteorites is our home. Earth has been a part of this solar system for 4 billion years. And for 3 billion years is the only planet in the universe where there is life. You and your ancestors and future generations are all born on this planet and will continue to come in the future, but everything in the universe keeps changing. No matter what remains the same no more. In billions of years old stars die and turn into a neutron star or black hole. And then these black holes go ahead and cause more terrible devastation. Imagine what would happen if a star explodes and closes the black hole and starts coming directly towards our solar system. Will we be able to avoid any such impact? We can avoid asteroid collisions, and imagine if a black hole many times heavier than the Sun comes directly to eat our Earth. How will it be saved and what will happen? It is scary to think that today's video is about this event that will happen in the future, which you should know for sure. Then without delay, come let's go on the unique journey of this collision of Earth and black hole. Think what will happen if a black hole enters our solar system, i.e. Oort cloud. Can we change its track, and what will happen if it starts coming directly towards our Sun, and how long will it take to destroy the entire solar system? So let's know. Now many of you will say that black holes cannot move, they remain stable at one place. So friends, I am very sad to tell that a total of 12 such black hole marks have been found by the scientist in our galaxy, is the one who keeps on moving continuously. And these 12 black holes have just been observed by the scientists. Don't know how many more such black holes can be present in our galaxy, which keep wandering in this way and keep changing their position. By the way, we call these moving black holes rogue black holes, and further in this video I call them rogue black holes. If I will say hole, then let's know how a rogue black hole is formed. What can be the maximum speed discovered so far? So scientists give 2 reasons for the formation of these rogue black holes, and there can be a third reason as well, which will blow your senses. So let's know them first by doing only one, friends. The first reason for the formation of a wandering black hole is that when 2 blocks merge with each other, then at the time of their merger, a small black hole separates from them, and due to the high energy released at the time of merger, the small black hole is thrown away. Then a rogue black hole is formed like this. The other reason for this is that when a star explodes supernova to become a black hole, then that explosion is so powerful that it takes the black hole out of its core, and this black hole is then forever in the whole space. Keeps on wandering. If we go towards the third reason, then here we will have to go towards Type 3 civilization. This civilization rules the entire galaxy and takes energy from black holes and also destroys them. So in such a situation, such an alien civilization would also create many such wandering black holes and release them in space, which then a less developed civilization like ours, if they become a real threat to us, then it is possible that aliens also make rogue black holes and leave them in the same universe. Scientists have found one such black hole 5,000 light-years away from the Earth, whose speed is 45 kilometers per second, and if it is said to be 162,000 kilometers per hour, it is possible that it is 162,000 kilometers per hour, but even with this speed, it will take many years to come to us. It will take thousands of years to see black holes because they do not allow light to come out from inside, and it is almost impossible to detect their trajectory because this dark space has made it difficult to find these black holes. It is 1,000 times more difficult than finding a needle in the dark. You can understand it in such a way that if such a black hole comes in our solar system, then we will feel its effect and the whole solar system will be disturbed because of it, but we will not be able to see it. So imagine being so close to the Earth. Even if we cannot see them, thousands of light years away, it can be almost impossible to see them. Now many of you will say that when we cannot see black holes, then how do scientists find out that such people are rogue black holes? Friends, even if they exist in this universe, they are known. Seeing the uncertain and irregular behavior of the objects having effect around them is the biggest example of this. In 2011, when the Hubble telescope studied a star at a distance of 20,000 light-years from the Earth, then a strange thing was noticed in the Hubble telescope in that star. The brightness of this star had suddenly increased, and the scientist was telling the reason for this gravitational lensing. Some massive object was lensing the bright star, and that object was not even visible, and all these things were showing the effect of a black hole. So scientists see all this and decide that some massive object whose gravitational force is very high is passing towards this star. This massive object is directly representing the black hole. Scientists called this goving black hole as rogue black hole, and this is how we found our first rogue black hole. Now you have come to know what are rogue black holes and how they are formed. Now let us know what will happen when someone like this, if only a black hole enters our solar system, then see if such a black hole is even a few light years away from the Earth, then we will start to see its effect. And if a black hole moving at a speed of 162,000 km per hour is found in our Oort cloud, if it enters the outer boundary of our solar system, then it will take 5,000 years to reach the Earth at such a speed, but even these 5,000 years will not be completely calm, because as soon as it enters the Oort cloud, due to its gravitational power, all the asteroid, meteoroid and cloud particles present in the cloud will get disturbed and move here and there. And someone may come and collide on our beloved Earth too, but the danger will not be less. Coming about a few lakh kilometers from Neptune, along with asteroids and meteoroids, tsunamis and earthquakes will start coming on our Earth. It will start swallowing, and due to the accretion disk formed by it, it will start raining asteroid and meteoroid on Saturn, Uranus and Jupiter. Moreover, all the stones and meteorites present in Jupiter's asteroid belt will leave their orbit and collide with the planet around them. Gradually they will start absorbing all the gas particles of Neptune faster, and in the same way. From this it will also swallow Uranus. Now it will be Saturn's turn. By that time Saturn will have lost its ring made of asteroid, and this black hole will take only a few years to reach Saturn, and gradually it will also destroy Saturn. It will start swallowing from a distance, and by now its accretion disk will also have increased a lot. Due to the elimination of Saturn's name, there will be imbalance of gravitational force, and due to this all the planets will leave the orbit and start running here and there. This can also happen that one planet collides with another, but don't worry, before all this happens, humans or any other living being will not survive on the Earth, because then meteorites will start raining on the Earth, due to the friction of the tectonic plates inside the Earth. All the magma will come out, and the Earth will completely become a river of lava. But if human civilization survives after all this, then let's see what the black hole does to the solar system. Slowly, after destroying Saturn, this black hole will disappear in a few years. It will reach Jupiter and will start swallowing it as well. As soon as Jupiter leaves, Mars and Earth, being rocky planets, will come into pieces under high gravitational force and get absorbed in the accretion disk of that black hole. Then after swallowing these two planets, as soon as the black hole will be 150 million kilometers away from the position of the Earth, then it will again start swallowing Venus and Mercury with its strength and gravity. After these two planets, now it will be the turn of our Sun. Then due to its strong gravitational force, the Sun will protect itself for some time, and as this black hole comes in front of the Sun, the gravitational force of the Sun will also protect it. Will not be able to save, and due to the high gravitational power of the black hole, all the gas inside the Sun will go inside it. And in the end, our huge Sun will also end up in this, and then our entire solar system will end in such a way that it seems strange to think that even in this way a black hole can destroy our entire solar system. But rogue black hole, if there is a real danger for us, then it is not so that in the future many such stars and planets are going to come in our solar system, which will create a lot of upheaval with their gravity. In the whole asteroid belt, cyber belt and Oort cloud, only crores of small stones will become a huge headache for our Earth by separating them from their orbit, and if a star directly separates our Earth from the Sun's orbit, then mankind hardly can avoid this. How and when will all this happen? I have made many videos on this, friends. In this video, I told you how a black hole wanders and starts coming straight towards our Earth. What will happen if we go through it? Will be able to change, or it will destroy us completely. If you like this video, then like and subscribe our channel Shatalks. Thanks.